Okay guys, one more time. We are at 1/400th of a second. Shutter speed f8. We are maxed out at 3200 ISO, but we're using auto ISO, so we'll let the camera do some of the work. We have a 1 meter snap focus distance. Can I get you to walk out here into the sun? I do street photography.
Right now.
Oh, no problem, dude. All right, appreciate it.
Hi, officer. F you.
Good shot.
Oh yeah, but it's like make an absolute shot at him. Not with my gun. It's not against the law for me to say anything to you.
Hey, it's the Google. It's the Google car. Oh, hell yeah, it's the Google car. That's awesome. Oh, we got a jogger. Okay, so we got a jogger. So what I'll do is I should be able to get him as he's... You can almost see here how dark that is. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this will be really cool if I can time this correctly and get him right out of the light there. And this guy right here, right into the light. That's what we call contrast, ladies and gentlemen. So I need this guy. I need to see if this guy might cooperate with me since he's taking photos. Here comes a dude on a bike, so this will be cool with a dog. Oh, hell yes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This will be awesome. Yes, keep going straight. Whoops. Hey, could I get you to ride out this way so I can get a photo? Sometimes you gotta fake it to make it. Yeah, come around here to me. Come this way, this way. Yeah, come out. Come out. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Thank you, sir. Awesome, awesome. It's awesome. So we should be able to blacken these to where they're just, where he's just emerging. See that, the difference? There, he's back there. Now he's emerging, now he's out further. It should give us some really cool light. Okay, so I don't want to leave the light, but there's no people. Okay, here comes a guy. So let me see what happens if I, okay, here comes a guy on a scooter as well. So let's see what we get on this stuff here. I'm gonna get this guy, oh yes. Here we go, here we go. Light, glorious, glorious light. Oh yeah. Although I think I gotta be on this side, dang it. Be on the other side to make it work right. I do believe, so let me walk to this guy here. So all you got to do is find you a patch of light. And here comes the dude, and then I'll change light here. I'm going to change locations here. Memento. Memento. Okay, here we go. Whoops.
Look at me go.
There we go. Might have got something out of that. Okay, I don't want to walk this way. There's some scooters, but I don't know. I have to stand over here. I'd have to get from behind them. I don't know how. Oh yeah, these will come out cool. Okay, here we go. These will be cool. Hey, you guys want a picture? Okay. It's very rare that I fish, meaning I sit in one spot. But by gosh, it's paying off right now. Oh, look at that. Cool. Shot of this one.
permite aquí mi ficha, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
A ver, me voy a poner ahí con ustedes.
Oops, let's see. Let me set mine here. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another one.
Yep.
Okay, one more. Here we go. Okay.
Thank you.
Check it and make sure. I don't usually take phone photos.
I understand.
Did they come out okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I tried to get down so my shadow wouldn't be in there. All right, guys, take care. Hey, would you guys do me a favor?
Yeah, sure.
And go over there after we get around. Go on the sidewalk and walk out into the light so I can take a couple shots.
Okay, yeah.
I do street photography and. So just walk around over through there and then just walk through here. Okay, and just go ahead and walk this way. Yep, just kind of, yeah, just walk north, yeah. Awesome, thanks guys. Okay. So I think we got enough from this corner. Let's go try to find another corner. That was very good. All right, now we got the shadow. I hate the shadow.
That's fair. But also, so my older
Oh, that should be good. Excuse me, can I take your picture? I do street photography, just walk around. You got a cool look. If you could like step forward and get a little bit of sun in you. No, actually step forward that way. Perfect, like that. That'd be perfect. It's the way the sun's hitting it. Excellent. And then go ahead and take a hit on the cigarette there. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. It came out very neat. The way the sun's hitting, it's all really cool. Thank you, hon. Okay guys, I'm in the tunnel, so if you hear an echo, that's what it is. That's going to do it for today. Certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking things out. Pick up a GA1 coupler along with the 49mm UV filter, JJC thumb grip, all that stuff available in the description below. So again, do appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one, guys.